Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you guys so much for tuning back in for another video on the channel today. We're back at it, another install for the car, and you guys already know we had to partner with our buddies over at Kustom Interiors to transform the interior of the car itself. The seats that are already on the car are nice, but if you guys want something crazy, the quality, the look, the stitching, the feel, everything, it's like OEM, and that's what we're going to be installing today on the car. Premium leather red seat covers with ventilated and booty coolers and booty warmers, as you guys can kind of see there. I mean, dude, I will never not go with Kustom Interiors. If you guys want to, again, transform it, this is the route to go. Literally the best, in my opinion. All my cars, I will always go Kustom Interiors because, dude, you're not going to get any other nicer seat covers in your guys' car. And 500 on new seat covers. I've always wanted red guts. Pause. No. Oh, great heavens! Diddy. I've always wanted red guts interior wise. Like, I've seen all the Hellcats and whatnot with the red interiors, the SS's with red interior, and I haven't seen a Mustang with red interior. It's always usually like that dark maroon. No Diddy though. no fucking Diddy. But again, to transform it to something crazy looking, and I think that red would just look ridiculous. It would look freaking nice. It would kind of give off the best look. Like I said, I'm not really worried so much about the carbon inside. I'm cool with it kind of as is. I mean, I don't really mind it, but to complete it, I think with the red seats would just look so sick. And I do love the red stitching, you know, center Alcantara. But again, with the red seats, oh, dude, that's just it's gonna transform it. It's gonna complete the look because everything's like black and red already. So with the red seats, I'm excited to get this video started. I know this is gonna be the third time we've made this video, but now luckily this is gonna be specifically for my car, because for the Challenger we did the honeycomb seats. Those were freaking nice. Then we did the honeycombs on Angel's green Mustang. That video did actually pretty good. And then now we're going to be installing the red seats on the new Mustang. Again, it's going to be very quick, very easy. So it's going to be the same exact thing. You're going to have two T50s up front. Bastard, get out of here. Oh, no. Sir, can you get out of here? All right, brother, I'm sorry, but you're invading my space. I'm sorry, brother. Anywho, hopefully, let me just double check his stinger's not on me. Put my hat on. Sorry, buddy, you were invading my space. Anyway, so we're gonna have two T50s up front, two T50s in the back. We're gonna take out the two front seats, and then we're gonna take them out, place them on the side. That way you guys kind of get, again, a breakdown. But if you guys don't want to see this whole video, you guys can check out the previous seat covers that we did on Angel's green Mustang. That's, again, another step-by-step. I don't want to bore you guys with all, you know, step-by-steps and whatnot. So two T50s up front, two T50s in the back. Again, for the center, show you the center, you're gonna have a little clip right there that you would just kind of lift up. Same thing for the back, and then we'll kind of go from there. Again, knock it out real quick, show you guys a quick little before, show you guys obviously the after, and go from there. The tools that we'll be using for today's service are my prying tool. I can't find my prying tool, but here's Old Faithful, a butter knife to get into the cracks, pop that little thing off, and then the Star Key 50. Let me see if it, yeah, T50. So T50 ratchet or a cordless ratchet, depending on what you guys have. I don't want to keep doing it with my hand, so I'm going to use my cordless ratchet. But if it's too torqued down, obviously I'm going to have to use a ratchet. So that's all you guys really need for this installation. Then once you guys pull the seats out, break everything down, and then we'll just go there step by step. I'll probably time-lapse everything, like I said. Now you guys know and have an idea of what to use and where the bolts and everything are at. Very simple. And then we'll just get this going. And then we'll just kick it off. This video itself, I was gonna break it up to two, And then for this video, I really didn't touch more on this. I did mention in the previous video, I wanted to change out the lug nuts because the lug nuts that were on the car, dude, they were freaking toast. They pop them. Just terrible. But luckily we got all new black lug nuts for the car, so that's a plus. Got that out of the way. God forbid that anything would happen and we'll freaking fall off or whatever. But we're gonna start off the video. Okay, then for the back, with your prying tool, you'll pop off the little black clips, and then that will expose the two T50s in the rear. We'll pop these off, and then we'll get the two in the front. That's that. So now that you guys have all 4 bolts disconnected and put to the side, I'm gonna make sure I put these clips over there. And what you want to do here is prop it up in the middle. You're gonna have the clip that connects to the booty warmers, the booty heaters. You're gonna disconnect that, and then that should be the last step, and then you can pull the seats out. Prop this bad boy up. Disconnect. Oh shit, it's 2 of them. Huh. Oh, just move it real quick. Lift up. Oh, jeez. Oh. Ooh, a Kit Kat. So this is what I meant. You're gonna have these 2 connections. He only had 1, but that makes sense because I have the ventilated and cooled seats. So that kind of makes sense why I have the 2 there. That's all you guys really need. 4 bolts, disconnect that. And then the seat itself is out and ready to go. I think I just saw a bee go in here. This is like the 3rd bee I've seen. Oh, there it is. Oh shit. Like I said, we're gonna do the breakdown for this specific one, show you guys how to install it, where to install it. That way you guys have that idea. I won't bore you guys with the whole installation of that one and the back seats. Those are very easy and simple. I would say the only ones to kind of worry about are these, because these do have the little prongs that you would kind of slide down into the seat and hook onto something in the bottom, which is probably going to be a bar. But again, we'll do the breakdown on this one specifically. That way you guys can kind of get an idea how to do it, and then we'll just install that there. Like I mentioned, so in the back, let me pop this forward. That way you guys kind of get an idea of what I meant. So for the hooks themselves, you guys want to hook them up to the most convenient spot. You guys want to obviously hook it here, because then it's going to kind of mess up, because this is where it's going to be sliding. So I would say the best option would be those hooks right here. I would say there. Oh, actually, let me move it. Move it from here, there, and there, to kind of give it that nice tight fit. That way it does not move. So we'll repeat the same thing for the front part. We're gonna probably hook it to, let me see, because those hooks are gonna come from this side. So I think I'm gonna hook it, I'm still trying to think, because they're gonna come from this side. So I think I might hook them either here, reach them up to there. But I guess we'll handle that once we get to that specific point. Front of it, what I'm thinking to do is probably this plastic piece here. I don't think that's, oh shit. Yeah, I think this plastic piece would be the most ideal spot. Oh yeah, there's holes there. There's nothing that's bothering it or in the way. I'm thinking of either going over or going under. Regardless, it's touching, so it doesn't matter. This is gonna, oh, this is the hydraulics for up and down, so I think that should be okay there. Unless I go this way, round, no. I think that's like probably the best spot right there. And then bam, there it is, fully installed. So now that we got the driver's seat done and complete, I mean, dude, the transformation is wild. Now that you guys have an idea, we're gonna time lapse everything, get the passenger side done, get the back seats installed, and then throw the seats back in there and we'll be good to go. And then just like that, back seats are installed, front passenger installed, and they look, dude, they look like OEM. So what we're gonna do now, my fingers are hurting because I obviously had to shove it right in, no diddy. Passenger side, super easy to do. You don't have to unbolt it, but I only did it for you guys so you guys could see exactly where to mock it up and where to put it, the hooks and whatnot. But you don't even have to. I did the honestly, I'm just blown away. I thought it was gonna be too much red, but it's just the perfect amount of red that just makes it just look so well. And you can, the contrast of the black, a little bit of red stitching and then to the red seats, I mean, dude, it flows so freaking well. Honestly, I'm just happy on the outcome of this, and this looks so nice. Maybe a little bit more carbon in the front, and slowly but surely we'll work on the exterior, but interior wise, I think it's spot on. I'm happy that I'm finally got red guts. No diddy. Let's go with custom interiors for any interior needs. The price, you cannot beat it. Go check them out. A huge shout out to Custom Interiors for sponsoring today's video. Go check them out. See what they got for your guys' car. You guys won't be disappointed. We'll see you guys on the next install on this car.